install flat blocking wherever we are doing a racetrack around the deck or a zipper board in the deck. When blocking for the racetrack around the deck, we block using a flat 2x4. When blocking for the zipper board, it is always a 2x6. When installing flat blocking, you always want to check the cupping of the 2x4 or 2x6 material before you install it. When you look at the end of the piece of 2x material, you will notice the grains of the wood cupping one way or another. When the wood dries out, it will follow the cupping of the wood and create a pool for water if the cupping is upside down. When fastening flat blocking, you want your blocking to be flush with the tops of the joists it is going to be in between. Fasten the flat blocking with 1/16 nail every 12 inches on each side. Make sure your nails are going in straight. It is easy to shoot them at an angle and miss the block. Once you have your block nailed in place, add one 3-inch stainless steel wood screw every 16 inches on each side. Nails will pull out over time with shrinkage in the lumber. The screws will help hold it tight.